Good afternoon, everybody. Good afternoon, Miss Sandy. Today we're going to be doing skip counting and we're going to work with the table of 4. Alright? When I bring our cube down and I put our squares together, I put them near the cube. Do you see how similar they are? The lines are the same and they're equal. Now when I take my squares and I put them on top of our chains, do you see they are equal? The lines are the same. Alright? Now we're going to be working with the chains. Right? Now for the chains, we are going to count the beads in our head. But when it comes to the last bead, we are going to say it out loud. Alright? I'm going to show you an example and then you'll have a try. Alright? 4. Okay? Now, after I've said the last one out, we will look for the corresponding number and put it at the last bead. Would you like to try? 8. Right, then now we put the counter 8. Would you like to continue? Oops, sorry. 12. 16. 20. 24. 28. 33. 36. 40. 44. 48. 52. 56. 60. 64. Good job, baby. Now I want us to read the counters all out loud. Starting with the first one. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, 44, 48, 52, 56, 60, and 60. Good job. Next time we'll do some more stick hands.